The right one? Or the left one?
Yeah. You have to get hand behind the tire. It's a little annoying.
Those are DRLs.
See how it's like, yeah, but you see what I mean? It's like a little,
Yeah, the texture.
yeah. And then the turn signal was the other one. Which I think is in there, but honestly, you can just pop it out too.
This one's easier because it's the only one in there.
So sick.
It's probably not as bright because it's a 9-volt battery.
Yeah, it was way brighter. Should we see what it looks like in there?
Get some washers and put them on the inside.
Okay.
And then it'll hold it.
We'll just put a bolt.
Yeah. It says the only thing that's gonna get a little screwed up is the cut.
Yeah, no, I saw. Yeah. So I was like, I don't know if these were exactly made for this bumper.
Yeah, I see what you mean. What I'm trying to see is. Okay, here's the next question. I can bring it all. That would work. You want to look away, hard drop?
You said look away?
Yeah, I said you want to look away?
No, I'm staring. I'm staring right at this cup. Looking like that? The new one over there. You need the feeling. Oh, yeah. He's asking where the input is. Yeah. You put it over there. Doo-doo-doo. Like on mine, I put seven Jeep Wrangler headlights. I mean, I think these are from Dapper Lighting. They're the same size as Jeep headlights, so I'm pretty sure people have these on their Jeeps too. It's kind of fun. Pretty sure there's people out there with these on their Jeeps. Does it fit?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, awesome.
It's just
The other side.
yeah, I'm just trying to line everything up a little bit better.